Wake up. It's already late. I'm not here to shout. I'm not here to fight. I just need you to open your eyes and listen to me for a moment. I've been standing at the door for 10 minutes thinking about what to say because this conversation is not easy for me either. Open the door. Dad, please, I'm tired. I didn't sleep well. Can we talk later? My head hurts, and I really don't feel like talking right now. That's exactly the problem. You never feel like talking. You never feel ready. And somehow, later never comes. You're 25 years old now. And every time I try to talk to you about your life, you close your eyes, turn your face, or disappear with your friends. That always happens. I'm not here because of one night of drinking. I'm here because this has been your life for years. Now open the door. I don't want to have this conversation right here. I know you're disappointed. You don't have to remind me. I'm not proud of myself either, okay? But you don't understand how it feels. I tried university. I really did. I studied, I went to classes, but I felt stupid. Everyone else understood things faster than me. I wasn't good enough. You weren't stupid, and you are not stupid now. That's one thing I need you to hear clearly. Son, you didn't fail because you were not intelligent. You failed because you stopped trying when things became difficult. Let me tell you something. Intelligence is not only about understanding fast, it's about staying when things are hard. And that is where you walked away. It's easy for you to say that you always knew what you wanted. You always had a plan. I don't. I wake up, I feel lost, and I don't know what to do with my life. I have no idea that. So I go out, I drink, I forget. For a few hours, I don't feel like a failure. You think I always had a plan? Let me tell you something I never told you before. When I was your age, I was scared every single day. I worked a job I hated. I felt stuck. I felt small. The difference is not that I had answers. The difference is that I didn't escape from the fear. I didn't do that. I stayed inside it and moved forward anyway. That's what I did. But you had responsibilities, a family. I don't even know if I want that kind of life. Sometimes I feel like I'm already too late. Everyone my age is moving forward, and me, I'm still here, sleeping in my childhood room. You are not late, but you are standing still, and standing still for too long becomes dangerous. You work sometimes, yes, but when you get money, you spend it all on alcohol, parties, and nights that disappear the next morning. You don't build anything, and one day you will wake up. Not at 25, but at 40, asking the same questions with more regret. I don't drink because I like alcohol. I drink because when I'm sober, I hear my thoughts too clearly. I hear your voice. I hear my own disappointment. I hear everything I didn't become. That hurts to hear because I never wanted my voice to become a weight in your head. I wanted to be support, not pressure, but I also can't lie to you. I'm worried, not because you are lazy, but because you are running away from yourself. You are not living, you are hiding. I know what you think. You think I'm lazy. Everyone does. But you don't see the nights when I can't sleep. You don't see how useless I feel. I wanted to make you proud. I really did. And every time I failed, it felt easier to stop trying. I failed that. I always fail. Let me tell you a secret. Pride is not what I want from you. Look, I don't need you to be successful, rich, or impressive. I want you to be responsible for your own life. That's all. I want you to wake up and choose something, even if it's small. One step, one decision, not perfection. That's all I want. But, Dad, and what if I fail again? What if I fail? Then you failed standing up, not lying on a bed with empty bottles around you. Failure is part of life, but escaping from life is a slow death. I can't protect you forever. And one day, I won't be here to wake you up. I always assumed you would be there. I guess I took that for granted. That's normal. But today, I'm not here to threaten you or give you rules. I'm here to tell you something different. That's why I came here. I will stop saving you from the consequences of your choices. Not because I don't love you, but because I do. Love is not always comfort. What I'm trying to say is this: you have 3 months not to become perfect, not to change everything, but to choose a direction. Work seriously, learn something, commit to one thing. If after that you decide to leave, to struggle, or to fail again, I will respect you more than if you stay here doing nothing. 3 months, that sounds fair. It's scary, but fair. I don't want to be this person anymore. I'm tired of disappointing myself. That's the first honest thing you've said in a long time. Remember this moment. Remember how it feels. Growth often starts with discomfort, not motivation. Dad, thank you for not giving up on me. Even when I gave up on myself, I never gave up. I just waited for you to be ready to listen. And today, for the first time, you didn't fall back asleep. That's good. Okay, now get up, take a shower, drink some water. Today doesn't have to be a great day, it just has to be different. Yeah, different sounds good. I will try my best. I promise that.